The sun tells you when, not the clock.
Good. See the blush? That's a sign.
Tomorrow, the sun will rise again.
We waited for the sun, for the right warmth. Journey ends. Our purpose begins. We are ready. From chaos, the line is drawn. A journey of 1,000 fruits.
The question is simple: worthy or not? The hands know.
Only the best continue. The promise of sweetness kept.
Every journey has a beginning, a state of raw potential.
The old world is left behind. Motion begins.
The first test is surrender to the water that washes away the past.
What water cannot remove, a gentle friction will. And what emerges is not what went in.
It is the potential revealed, the truth of the thing itself.
Ready?
The machine says no. The fruit says maybe.
The rule is simple. You have to listen.
It exists in a state of potential, whole, complete, and waiting.
Its journey from whole to pure begins. An obstacle lies within, a hard, stubborn secret. How to separate the treasure from the stone. The burden is released. What was hidden is now removed. Its purpose is now clear. Its journey now complete.
Thick, uniform mango pulp.
A memory of sun, of sweetness held within. A new voice joins.
Then another, a union.
Separate notes become a chord. One color, one taste. Complete.
Heat is both purifier and destroyer. A necessary, dangerous ordeal.
Here, time becomes the enemy. 15 seconds. A lifetime.
The final transformation. Ready. Safe. Perfect. After pasteurization, the juice is pure, but hot. A heat exchanger is next. A critical, rapid exchange.
Heat transfers across the plates, from the juice to the coolant. The juice is rapidly cooled to a stable, safe temperature. The juice is ready.
It enters the system. A path toward purity.
A new consistence is born. Smooth,
perfect, complete.
It begins with a promise. Each carton waits for its journey.
Stability, strength.
A ballet of modern logistics. From storage into transit. The journey begins.
The promise is on its way.